Adverb of frequency. Among the different types of adverbs, adverbs of time and adverbs of frequency are used to depict when the action mentioned in a sentence is taking place or when the subject in a sentence is performing an action. In this video, you will learn everything about adverbs of frequency, and you can also take a look at the examples and practice questions that have also been provided to give you a clear idea of the same. Let's start with definition of adverb of frequency. An adverb of frequency is a word that is employed in a sentence to give more information about the verb, adjective or another adverb. Adverbs of frequency can be placed after the noun or pronoun that acts as the subject and before the verb if there is just one verb in a sentence. If there is more than one verb in a sentence, for example, auxiliary verb, the adverb of frequency can be positioned before the main verb. Examples of adverbs of frequency: Ashish often likes to have food from hotels. Wiley always buys groceries from the supermarket. The teachers have been instructed to take attendance every hour. Every day, the hospitals see a huge inflow of accident casualties. We never like to have lychee juice from any other store. Here are some other examples of adverbs of frequency for your reference. Never, every hour, constantly, daily, yearly, occasionally, rarely, hardly ever, seldom, every day, ever, frequently, generally, regularly, usually, scarcely, always, often, eventually, hourly, monthly, sometimes, normally, now and then. Here we have provided you with an exercise. Pause the video and check your knowledge of adverbs of frequency. Check the answers to find out if you have answered all of them correctly. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.